For our high-end AMD build, we're going all out this time. By and large, this is one of the most over-the-top premium builds. Because of that, it also might be the most impressive one yet. Here are the PC parts we suggest for this gaming PC build. CPU, AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. CPU cooler, Corsair iQ H100i Elite Caplix. Motherboard, ASRock X670E Steel Legend. RAM, G-Skill Trident Z5 RGB 32GB. Storage, Crucial P5 Plus 1TB. Video card, Asus TUF Gaming RTX 4080. Case, Fractal Design Torrent Mid-Tower Case. Power supply, Seasonic Focus Plus 850 Gold. So the 7950X is quite an impressive CPU through and through. It features 16 cores, 32 threads, and a maximum boost frequency of 5.7 GHz. However, this one is yet to drop in price, so we'd recommend you look out for more options from AMD in the upcoming months. Still, if you want the best Ryzen processor out there, then this is the one to get. The 7950X offers excellent performance in both gaming and productivity workloads. It's also more power efficient than the Core i9-13900K, even if it has fewer cores. As for the CPU cooler, Corsair iQ H100i Elite Caplix is an excellent choice for this build. It provides high-end cooling performance, and it's equipped with RGB lighting that will add a nice aesthetic touch to the build. The cooler features two 120mm ML RGB fans and an Acetec pump, and works flawlessly with Corsair's iQ software. The ASRock X670E Steel Legend motherboard is a perfect match for this build. It's equipped with a robust VRM configuration, PCIe 5.0 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and excellent memory CPU overclocking capabilities. The design of the motherboard is also quite impressive and features a sleek design with RGB lighting that will match the overall aesthetic of the build. Since you're getting a lot of features, that makes this motherboard an excellent option for production workloads. It has a lot of ports, headers, and control for all of your RGB components. It's a great motherboard for video editing and more than enough for gaming as well. For memory, we recommend G-Skill Trident Z5 RGB 32GB. This RAM is designed for high-performance builds, and it's equipped with RGB lighting that will match the overall aesthetic of the build. It also provides fast speeds and high performance that will enhance the overall performance of the system. There's a lot to consider between DDR4 and DDR5, but the latter is a better choice for this high-end build. Not only will you get slightly better performance in games, but a noticeable upgrade if you care about productivity performance. As programs and games become more optimized for DDR5, you will only thank yourself for this choice in the future. Storage is an essential part of a high-end build. The Crucial P5 Plus 1TB SSD provides plenty of space and fast read-write speeds that will make your system feel snappy. The P5 Plus also features a sleek design that will match the overall aesthetic of the build. Of course, this is a PCIe Gen 4 drive, meaning you'll get excellent performance if your workload involves editing videos, rendering, and modeling 3D animations. While it may not affect gaming performance all too much, it will impact your productivity a lot. The Asus TUF Gaming RTX 4080 is a powerful graphics card that will provide excellent gaming performance at high resolutions. It features 8GB of GDDR6 memory, and it's capable of running games at 4K with high frame rates. The design of the card is also impressive. It features a sleek design with RGB lighting that will match the overall aesthetic of the build. While the RTX 4080 is a bit overpriced right now, you will be grateful for the upgrade as the performance yields are impressive. This card will easily handle 4K gaming for years to come, and you won't feel the need to upgrade anytime soon. That's the build theme we're going for with this premium AMD build. The Fractal Design North Mid-Tower case is a perfect match for this build. It's equipped with a sleek design, and it provides excellent airflow to keep your components cool. The case also has a great cable management system and looks different from nearly every chassis out there. That is because it features a real metallic front panel. It's the first time we've seen such a thing, and it works well for the minimal and sleek aesthetic that Fractal was going for. It also looks superb with all of our high-end components. Finally, the power supply unit is the Seasonal Focus Plus 850 Gold. This PSU is a great choice because it's efficient, reliable, and comes from a premium brand that should be your go-to choice for high-end PSUs. It was a no-brainer for this build. Of course, it's also fully modular. So we're ending this video with arguably the best gaming PC build you can put together in 2023. To sum up, you're getting a high-end processor, superb graphical performance, the latest and greatest DDR5 memory, and a blazing fast PCIe Gen 4 drive. The expected performance will blow you away, as this PC is going to be quite powerful for years to come. The estimated price for this over-the-top PC build is $3,000. So what do you think? Tell us what you'd like to change. Check another video where we suggest the best AMD PC builds and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments what you think, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.